So this is the 50 million highway project from Corozal Town all the way to Sarteneja Village. So I just wanted to give you a brief drive throughout the highway and the current progress it's going. And as you can see, it's good, looking fantastic. So if you're looking to invest in an area in Corozal Town, I will definitely recommend you to look at Sarteneja and all the coastal villages located along Corozal district, because this highway is going to just change the entire northern part of Belize. Why? Because a lot of people will start to visit Sarteneja, and with this highway, even the prices of properties, investments will skyrocket, and there are chances of getting a great return out of that. So you might want to jump on and try to get your piece of property here as fast as possible before the prices start to rise. So if you're looking to buy or sell a property, feel free to contact me anytime. I'll be glad to show you around.